In this video, I want to show you how to create multiple models in ArcGIS Pro using the model builder. This is important at times when you want to create multiple independent models for different operations. It's better you create independent multiple models, and these models can equally be linked together to form an interconnected or link multiple models. For instance, I have these samples here where I'm expected to create 4 multiple models: model for data module, model for interpolation module, a model for transport module, and finally a model for assessment module. So how can we create these 4 modules on the same project in ArcGIS Pro? To do that, open your ArcGIS Pro. There are 2 approaches you can use to get this done. Let me show you how to do it. First, you can use the model builder directly, or you use the catalog pane. To use the model builder directly, come to analysis, and here you can see the model builder. So if you click on it, it will create your first model, which you can later edit. Alternatively, what you can do is to come to view, then click on catalog. This will open the catalog. Then come to 2 boxes, click to expanding, and you can see your 2 boxes here. Then to create a model, right click the 2 boxes and then come to new, and you can see model. Click on model. When you do that, it will create a model for you, and you can see by default it give it a name, model. It has created a model for you. Then later we will edit this model, but let's create all the 4 models. So to create another model, right click the toolbox, come to new and click on model. It will create the second model. So let's create for the remaining 2 models and then later edit it according to our requirements. Then right click the toolbox, come to new and click on models. Let's create the 4th one. Right click and then come to new and click on model. So you can see we have created 4 different models on this same project. Now if you look at our example, the name to be given to each model has been provided, so we have to edit our models accordingly. So to do that, just copy each of the name of the model, copy it, go back to ArcGIS Pro, and to edit this very model, right click and come to properties. Then this is the name of the model, so give it the right name, and also the label, give it the appropriate name. Then the name will reflect, or the property changes will be applied upon save. It is when you save this model that the name you have edited will be saved. However, if I click on OK, the labeling here will change to the name I've given onto it, that is data module. So I'll click on OK. So the label has been changed, but the name has not changed here until I save it. So for the second model, the name given to it is interpolation module. So I'll copy this, go back to ArcGIS Pro, come to this second model, right click and come to properties. Then the label, I'll change it to that very name. Likewise, this one, I'll change it to name and click on OK. So the label has been changed to that very model name. Then the third one, here is it, which is transport module. So I'll just copy this transport module, go back to ArcGIS, then right click the third module and then click on properties. And then I will change the name and also change the label and then click on OK, and you can see it here. So the 4th one, come back here, which is assessment module. So let's copy this assessment module, then come back here, right click and click on properties, then change the name to assessment module and the label to assessment module, then click on OK. You can see that we have 4 models here: data module, interpolation module, transport module, and assessment module. Now it has not reflected here because we have not saved. To make it reflect here accordingly, click on save to save the models. After saving the models, you can see that the name of each of the models has reflected in my toolbox. The assessment module, the data module, interpolation module, and transport module, and you can see them accordingly here. So you can start to work on each of these models as deemed fit. So this is how to create multiple models in ArcGIS Pro using the model builder. So if you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.